Qwen Anime-to-Real can turn any anime portrait into a realistic human face. And the GGUF 4-step version runs smoothly even on a low VRAM GPU. Today, I'll show you how to install that on ComfyUI. Let's review what's MIG. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. Replace your node's qwen.py file with this one, which will improve your native text encode Qwen Edit Plus node. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. We will upload the input image. We will run the workflow. This workflow will create 2 images. These are the images created by the original Qwen Edit. As you can see, the images are not very realistic. And this is the image created using Qwen Anime-to-Real. The image is extremely realistic. We compare the 2 generated images. Clearly, the image using LoRa will be better. I will try using a different input image with a more difficult pose. In the image created from the original Qwen, the image cannot be realistic because we only used 4 steps. As for photos using LoRa, with only 4 steps, it still creates realistic photos with beautiful light. And that's Qwen Anime-to-Real 4 Steps GGUF, a fast and realistic anime conversion model that runs perfectly on low VRAM GPUs. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more GGUF tutorials.